Hi! In this video you'll learn how to import data from a CSV file. CSV is a very common format for data tables that you can export from almost anywhere. If you're here for the first time, you may want to check out this link here, because it tells you what kind of data you can load in Visplore in general. And CSV is just an example. Okay, so let's load a CSV file here. Click here. And in our example, we load a time series dataset that is shipped with Visplore. It is sensor time series from photovoltaic power generation and a lot of weather time series. Okay. Now, first you get a preview of the first 200 rows of the dataset. The types of the columns are guessed automatically using these 200 rows. The supported types are value, which is for numerical data, categorical, date time, and also integer. When you change the type here to something else, it will also memorize it for the next time, so that a column with that name will always have that certain type. Now, it makes sense to scroll a bit through these columns here and check if the types are correct. So here we have dozens of value typed columns. At some point later on, there are some categoricals here like wind directions. And here you see missing values. So Visplore also supports missing values. These come when you have an empty cell in the CSV file, so when there's nothing between the two delimiters. And missing values are okay for Visplore. They are automatically left out from calculations, for example. So let's scroll back. In case the automatic detection doesn't work as intended immediately, there are advanced options here. For example, the delimiter that is used in the file, it's also auto-detected, but you can override it. You can also define if you have column names in the first row, and optionally if you have units in the second row. If there's lines that have an unusual number of delimiters, they are filtered out automatically. For example, if you have some comment lines, they are skipped. And then there's more options for setting the comma or digit grouping character to ignore 1000 separators when reading values, for example. One final word maybe on date time types. You can specify also a format string here using the custom format. If the automatic detection doesn't give you what you want, then you can use a format string here to define other custom things. But for now, just press OK, which loads the dataset. Yeah, and after the cockpit has started, you're good to go. Thanks for watching.